Like, okay, the one thing that I love about Minnesota is that we have a lot of, like, during the summer months, we have a lot of thunder and rainstorms, which I absolutely love. Like, I'll live for that weather, swear to God.
It puts you to bed like a freaking baby again. It's amazing.
Like, I'll prefer, if every day of the year, I would prefer thunderstorms. I just love them so much.
Mm-hmm.
But, like, thunder and lightning and rain, all of it together, like, just freaking great. So, I totally do love lightning, too.
You guys can also help support the channel clicking that link down below in the description if you throw it down through Streamlabs. We're going to let you pick when the next videos we react to. Just keep it under 10 minutes, include the video link title and your email, and let's get to this video. Tune it down, though. Ooh, damn.
Oh, this is a compilation.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, wow.
You've seen something else blow up as a side shot from that one. That was awesome.
That's not good.
No, not at all. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Damn.
I didn't think that it usually hit buildings. Like, I know it does once in a while. Like, if it's like, well, what happened, my sister, when she lived down in Iowa, what is it called? Like, the thing outside Zoe's window, like the AC thing.
Yeah.
What's it called?
The central air system?
Yeah, like, I know, like, my sister's got hit, and it kind of hit the side of her house, because I think it was because that was there. But, like, I didn't know that it usually hit houses.
Yeah, it's going to aim for the tallest grounded thing around. So if your house is the tallest thing around, it's going to hit it.
I suppose, yeah.
It's always going to aim for the tallest conductor.
Huh.
I'm going inside.
I miss stormy weather, man.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
That's crazy.
Lightning is so cool.
It is.
Oh god.
Holy shit, it just obliterated that tree.
They had a security camera they caught that on.
Yeah.
Wow.
The kind of power that it releases is just crazy.
Oh my god, they're so lucky.
It's so
oh my
weird.
God, no, it actually did. I was like, they're so lucky, but then the tree fell on their house.
I think that's is that a house or is that like a cabin / resort
Well, whatever
looking place?
it is, I don't care what it is. Whatever it is, it fell on their house.
I mean, if you look at that lightning, it looks like it just slices through that thing like it wasn't even there. It's just not. It just goes right through the damn thing. It's awesome looking.
Got that on video.
Watch.
Oh yeah, that crushed the front of their house for sure.
Oh wow.
That was a nice fireworks show.
I'm getting chills watching this because I just love.
Did that guy get shocked? Oh my god, it set off the car's alarm even. Do they know it's gonna strike that tree or something?
They must. I don't know.
Oh my god, it instantly burnt it. It looked like at the top.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, that'd be terrible. Right where you're driving?
What was that? The ash just came from all over. Let's get that transformer box, isn't it? Nope. Damn.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
That voice. Oh my god. It is so fascinating when it hits trees.
Now, is it rare for people to get hit by it?
Yeah, it's very rare, yeah. And a lot of the times you don't die, actually.
Are you serious?
There's one forest ranger, I forget, but it was in school, there's this book that we were in what's it called, when they brought the whole school together for a
Oh God.
in the auditorium.
Yeah, I can't remember the name of it.
Some ranger was hit, like, I don't remember if it was 3 or 7, but it was like a multiple times by lightning because he was a forest ranger, and there's this one spot where you're just very likely to get hit by lightning. And it
How
seems
you gonna get hit with that 7 times and not die?
if it goes right through you, you can survive, and it goes connects to the ground, it just leaves you. You're just a conductor, you know? But like trees.
But wouldn't it hurt like hell?
Oh, well, I don't know. Honestly, I'm sure it would, but the fact that we get a lot of water in our body, it can transfer through us pretty easy. Like a tree doesn't, you know, it's very solid, dense material that doesn't move
Well,
in
it's
any way,
like you
shape, or
think
form.
about that and you see how them trees get snapped in half.
Oh, I
It's
know,
like,
they
how does that not
explode.
happen to us?
Oh, if it did, that'd be so nasty.
Oh.
Damn. You know, it kind of makes me think of if God like had a sniper rifle. He's just sitting there like looking with it, like I'm gonna see if I can hit that thing
Maybe
from here.
he does.
You know?
Wow.
Ooh, that was like a quadruple strike to the. You're
It was
going
like-
towards it, man.
6 times or 5? 6?
Get out of there.
Oh no. Oh wow. Now that would. Oh my god.
There's a triple strike to that building.
Wow.
Damn.
Shit.
That was intense.
God.
Jesus.
Охереть. Я ж тебе, блядь, русским языком сказал.
Get out of here. Damn.
That'd be me chilling there. It's so loud too.
Oh my god. Yeah, that tree exploded back there. It's an easy windshield to see through.
Do you remember that time when we were driving? When-
Did it just smoke that car?
Yeah, I don't know. Go back.
Damn. Go back again.
Why'd you go back that far? It was
Yeah.
coming up.
Dude, it totally did. Damn.
Do you remember that time when you and I were driving home from up in the cities and it was like the lightning was so bad that the skies literally turned completely white and it kept like there was so much of it that it just like
Lit up the sky like it wasn't a drop in it.
no, it was like nonstop almost and it was so scary because it felt like the world was ending. Like it was so
Yeah.
freaky.
That was crazy, yeah. I remember
I've never
that.
seen anything like that in my life. It was literally like the longest white, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it turned white, completely white out in the sky. And it stayed like that for like 3 to 4 seconds each time that it did it. And it's like, oh my god, it was just so cringy.
It was.
Uh-oh. It hit their house or what?
Looked like it. Damn.
The delay in that, wow. Okay.
Ё-моё, лупануло прям.
Oh my god, did it hit a car too?
I don't know.
Oh my god. That was a weird one for damn sure. That like left an afterglow.
On Monday, the rain came again. Oh my God.
Oh my god, it looks like somebody shot it with a rocket launcher.
Oh my god.
I'm out.
Those waves.
I know, that's crazy looking.